Today's lesson will be on adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a part of speech, a word or a phrase that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs often end in ly. Adverbs can tell you things like how, where, how often, and how much. If you scan the code over here, it'll take you directly to a video of adverbs. Adverbs can answer questions. So, for instance, how much? Almost. Madison ate almost all of the cookies in the cookie jar. How often? Always. Fernando's sister always takes him to the park after school. When? Now. I will do my chores now. Where? Outside. Ryder plays soccer outside. How? Cheerfully. Haley cheerfully chased the butterfly. Adverbs add description to verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. The adverbs below are written in yellow, and you will see them within these sentences. Julianne energetically ran into the classroom. Energetically adds description to how Julianne ran into the room. Roman is extremely happy he sits next to his best friend this year. The word extremely adds description to the adjective happy. My mom is almost always late. This one can be a little tricky because it is two adverbs being used together to describe how and when, but what you will notice is that these words add description. You don't necessarily need them, but they fill up your sentence a little more. These are a couple useful websites to help you practice your adverbs and finding them within sentences. So one is this one, and you'll use the owl to find adverbs. You'll have to shoot all the adverbs in the sentence from the owl cannon. Another one is with Bunny, and you help him hop to collect everything you see as adverbs. After you have done some practice activities, I've also put a list here of some different adverbs of these questions, like when, where, how, and to what extent. And then you can do this practice activity in which you'll read the sentences and highlight the adverbs that you find. Once you have completed the activity, you can scan this QR code and it'll take you directly to the answers. Thank you so much.